lifestyle. I have my business and it's working.
I've been with the corporate world, specifically telecoms industry for 28 years, 14 years of which as Vice President of Globe Telecom and Digital Sun Cellular.
It's great because you have your cars, the company will provide cars, travels, we have our own house, we can send the children into an exclusive school, lifestyle, lahat pwedeng bilhin, right? Especially with a credit card.
Plus of course, the perks.
Sabi ko, nung time na nag-resign siya, medyo kinapos ang budget ng lola mo. Grabe, di ba? So, for 3 years nakatagal. Pero maganda naman kasi sa isang business ko, we were able to be in the top sales also. And actually, we are an awardee of the Direct Selling Association of the Philippines as Hall of Famer. It means 3 consecutive years, you're in the top sales, right? But sabi nga, challenges. Pag nawalan ka pala talaga ng trabaho, minsan akala mo yung trabaho security, pero hindi pala. So talagang yung credit card, yun ang naging daan na naging channel of debts. Kumbaga sabi ko, nalubog sa utang, hindi ko alam kung saan kukuha ng pera, talagang kakampi ko na lang si Lord. Kasi sabi ko, Lord, nauubos na yung budget.
We were asked, because we were looking at the cars which were parking, the person who invited us said, alam mo ba kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila? So, anong ginagawa nila? Ano ba business nila? Kasi may business daw sila na every 3 to 6 months nagpapalit ng kotse. So, lumaki yung mga mata namin. So, anong business nila? So, I said, it's loading. What? Loading?
So we tried it and grabe, in just ilang months, in just 5 months. That is so good. Yeah, we first our 1 million. Alam maganda niyan, sabi ko, di ba kanina nalubog sa utang, binayaran ko muna lahat ng utang namin. And kumbaga nakatulog na rin ako ng mahimbing. And then I started to pray na mas marami pa kaming matulungan with T-Mobile. Katulad nung nangyari sa amin. I think we are only living testimony of God's grace and love, di ba? Kumbaga maraming tao ngayon nalulubog din sa utang. Minsan nga hindi na nila kaya kung anong gagawin. But the thing is, may solusyon.
Well, in a way, it was not really a struggle because we've been with other multi-level company for 4 years. Actually, 2 years, specifically for me, no? Because after resigning, because I was really getting sickly in and out of the hospital, so I decided to resign. So I joined her dun sa business, another network marketing business. So in a way, we have been used to it already. We have been given a lot of trainings in network marketing, plus of course personality development, aside from my trainings from the corporate world. No? So it was not really a struggle. It's just that in my case, I have to make adjustments because the people that I have to talk to now are not my employees or are not my subordinates, but co-equal. Co-equal in terms of being business owners themselves.
Ang mag-asawa, lagi nag-aaway kapag walang pera. Magulang, anak, nagkipera pag walang pera. So imagine naman dumating yung V-Mobile namin, bigla kami natahimik. Yung relationship, number 1 relationship with your family, relationship with your relatives, relationship with your friends, and yung relationship with people you really don't know, na natutulungan pala namin sila na hindi namin alam.
Kahit na you spend a lot of time talking to a lot of people, but the energy is still there. Kasi pag nakikita mo yung tao, masaya. Di ba? So, nare-re-energize ka. Unlike dun sa pinanggalingan namin, hindi pa tapos yung presentation.
Uubos na yung tao.
Nawawala na yung mga uma-attend. First, really, you have to learn. Sabi nga dun sa mga trainings natin, knowledge, you have to know so that you have the edge. Then you have to learn, and then earn. So, basic. Ganun lang kasimple ang V-Mobile. Compared to what I gone through sa corporate man, you have to learn a lot.
Kung ano yung naging daan, ang naging system for this All Millionaires Club na nabuo, you really have to follow the system. It's not all about the earnings. Kaya ka binigyan ng Diyos ng maraming earnings in order for you to share and to give to all those people that will be needing your help. You are only an instrument. Hindi ikaw yan, di ba? 100% hindi ikaw yan. But the one who really provides for it, which is God. Napakaraming tao na kailangan ng tulong. So, thank God for V-Mobile. Grabe yung success na ginagawa ni V-Mobile sa bawat Pilipino. At ayoko na nga yung tao na nakita ibang pamilya na nagkakahiwa-hiwalay. Kaya ako bigla talaga na-power din sa V-Mobile kasi nakita ko yung family ng Guasque. They're all doing it. So, hindi naman nila gagawin yung V-Mobile kung makakasama yan. Kung baga integrity, di ba? As family, ayaw mo masira ang pangalan mo. Ginagawa mo to, may dignidad ka, may integrity ka. Hi, I'm Leriza A. Paraguirre. I used to be a businesswoman.
Hi, I'm Boy Paraguirre. Used to work in the corporate world, but now I'm V-Mobile.